Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the work area and confirming you have the replacement plug, basic tools, and steady light. Use a magnifier to inspect the connector. Look for broken pins, crushed shell, or green corrosion that signals water damage. Once done, trace the cable to the board to spot where the insulation ends and the wire begins. That tells you whether you can repair the cable or must replace the entire receptacle. Make sure to take a clear photo for reference before disassembly. You desolder the damaged connector with controlled heat, removing old solder while avoiding lifted pads. Use wick or a pump. Then strip and trim the cable to healthy wire, tin each conductor, and tin the board pads. This promotes a clean joint. Once aligned, tack one pin to hold the plug, reflow the remaining pins to form smooth fillets, and reconnect the shield or drain wire to its tab. Make sure to add heat shrink or a mechanical strain relief before finishing. You reassemble the device and begin testing. First, check continuity on power and ground, then plug into a charger and verify charging current and data sync if required. If the connector feels loose, reopen and reinforce the pads or shield. If charging is intermittent, reflow suspect joints and recheck the solder fillets. Should problems persist, replace the cable assembly entirely or inspect internal vias and traces for hairline breaks. One troubleshooting tip: if the phone
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.